Hi guys, so this morning I'm making a trailer video for our last video tutorial of 2018. As you can see on the screen, you are looking at a live shot of my channel, Luciano Bove Car Designer on YouTube, and of course, for those that don't know, if you scroll down, you can find all the live videos that we made during this year, with all the tutorials, some lectures, and of course our design talk. At the same time, I want to let you know that currently I just lowered the price of my ebooks, mainly this one, Car Design Sketching Tips 2. Let's go and click. And then you will see that which is the most, how can I say, it's the ebook that has everything inside. The price has been lowered to $9.99. Before was over $12. So this is going to last only for the end of the holidays. So if you want to buy this with the discount price, now is the time, because starting the 7th of January, this will be off and the old price will come back. And what else can I tell you? I think that the 31st, 6:30 p.m., it's going to be the last day of the year and also the last sketching tutorial of this year, 2018. Thank you very much for all of you that are following. Okay, this channel is growing slowly, but is growing, and I'm very happy. And I really hope that whatever I'm doing with you, it can really be useful to you. So don't forget, 31st, 6:30 p.m. European time, our last tutorial video, okay, together on this channel, the channel Bove Car Designer, sketching with you, helping you how to sketch cars, freehand. Bye, ciao, be there and share this video. Put your like.